just passed my 50k. I literally bought this account last week and I've passed the phase 1. So I'm going to show you the dashboard and the trades that I've taken. All right, so as you can see, we had about 80% win rate. Didn't even take much trades. Literally 4 trading days, 2 winning days, 2 losing days. Today we made like the whole 8% because the account was in a little bit of drawdown. We got it out of drawdown and made a whole 8%, which was, we took 2 trades in the morning. They both won, and then we also took 2 trades in New York session and they both won. So we went 4 for 4 on the day, which is amazing. Like, we love to see that. And then yeah, 2 more trading days this week, Thursday and Friday. If I can pass them both, Thursday and Friday, that would be great. If not, it's fine. We'll go into June, try pass them in June. And then I'll also request my payouts from my 50k and 100k. And then I'll start trading them accounts again in June as well. Collect some more payouts in June. Because I literally posted what 13 losses did to me this morning. Got that edited yesterday, posted it this morning. And today we've already passed the 50k that I was speaking about in this video. So it's crazy to think that I've already got all of this on video. But yeah, super excited to start documenting. I've got to go sleep because I do got work later. All right, morning people. So we are in a trade. If I show you, we're in a trade on gold right now. This is the first trade of the 50k. I'm winning a little bit of drawdown. Price action is not looking good. We are shooting down, and then I got into some sells, targeting the 1-to-1, and it's looking like it's starting to reverse. So first trade of the account might be a last switch. You know, it happens. I went conservative risk. I went 1% risk. So I definitely should pass this account eventually. But, you know, the losses, it'll just mean that it'll take more time, which is fine. But I'm going to keep you guys updated and show you guys how this trade does. Bro, price action is straight playing, bro. Straight playing. It's looking like a barcode, bro. I think it still has the potential to shoot down. So I'm hoping it does. But we've also just had an EMA cross. So that is a sign that it wants to push back up. So maybe it pushes up and then goes down. All right, so trade hit stop loss, which is a bit of a bummer, but it's fine. So we're down about 1% on the challenge. I'm going to see if another setup presents itself, but if not, then that's it for the AM session. We've got PM session. We can try to see if there's any clean setups there, but is what it is. We're trading tomorrow, and then we've got the weekend. I'm going to do some reviewing of this week. It's been a very good week so far. But yeah, trade hit stops, on to the next one. So it's about 10 a.m. currently. I just got back from work. I am 2 days away from my payout date with Equity Edge. So hopefully that payout gets approved. It should. I didn't break any rules, but man, I am tired. Like, I've just been doing straight overtime. I don't think I'm going to be doing this much overtime again, to be honest. Like, hopefully I won't need to. But yeah, I am definitely so tired. But before I go and start doing my tasks, I want to share an analogy that I thought of that you can use to kind of understand how to view trading, and it's the F1 analogy. Trading is like F1, the car, the engine. That's your strategy. That's what drives your trading. Without the car, you don't have a race. You need a good car to compete. It is very, very, very important. Then you have the driver, the person who actually drives the car. They need to be mentally in check. They need to be physically in check. They need to have clarity. The decision making needs to be on point. The reaction time needs to be on point. You need to make sure that the driver is good as well. You are the driver and you're driving this car, this profitable strategy that you have. The strategy does have to be profitable. You need to make sure the strategy is profitable first. But then once you find a profitable strategy, you don't need to touch it. You've got the car. Now you need to make sure that the driver is making the right decisions. Otherwise, the car's useless. Put a really good driver in a mid car, they're going to do a good job. Put a horrible driver in a really good car, they're not going to do much. They're going to do horribly. So having a good car is important, but making sure that the driver and the person behind the wheels is also in check and is also doing the right things, you're going to go far in your trade, and it's as simple as that. All right, so I look rough, but I'm about to go to my last overtime shift. I've been doing so much work this month, like actual work from my job, like all this overtime and things. It's made me realize how much I need to get out of the workforce, like how much I need to, you know, go full time with trading and just business in general, and have that freedom, have that financial freedom, have that location freedom, because working a 9 to 5 is not for everyone, and it's definitely not for me. I understand why people do it. I understand, you know, even though I work night shifts, it's really not even a 9 to 5. It's still being in the workforce. I'd rather just be financially free, financially dependent on myself and not on a job or on someone else. I'm requesting a payout tomorrow though, which I'm actually quite excited for. I'm not even excited. I'll be honest. I'm really not even excited. It's a small payout. Like, I'm up 1.4. It's a 100k account. So after profit split, convert it into pounds, it'll probably be about £800. And it's like, yeah, cool, it's a nice bit of money, and obviously like I've got it from trading. It's not like I had to do much, but it still doesn't feel fulfilling because it doesn't change my life. And I know that's not necessarily the right mindset to have, because say if I got 10 of these, that's, you know what I'm saying, that's 10k right there. It's just getting 10 of these payouts. I think because of my situation, and it's like, okay, I can get payouts, but is my situation changing? My situation isn't changing. So it's like, okay, cool, I need to work harder. I need to get more payouts. I need to get bigger payouts. I need to grow my personal account, things like that, before I can start to feel happy, which, like I said, is probably not the right outlook to have. Your happiness shouldn't depend on your level, the level of success that you're at. Comparison really is a thief of joy. Comparison is also a really good motivator as well. By you seeing other people get it, you can see the proof. It's like, damn, if someone else can achieve this, I can also achieve this. Even me, there's still some people that haven't got their first payout. I'm going to request another payout tomorrow. Hopefully it goes through. That would be my third payout. And then I have another payout date next week as well for Thursday. That would be my fourth payout. So it's like, okay, cool. For the people that haven't got payouts, they can see me get my payouts and think, fuck, if I can do it, you can do it as well. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't know if that makes sense, but obviously that's not comparing. That's just seeing the results of other people and believing in yourself to do it too. 10k a month, it sounds like a long way away. Like 10k a month, that's like the benchmark. Everyone says it's 10k a month, and it seems like, damn, that is so difficult. In my mind, I don't think 10k a month is that difficult. Like, that is so easily achievable in my head. The reason why I even decided to take such a small payout is because my accounts were in drawdown. I was in 5% drawdown. I had a losing month in April, and I was like, cool, I built my accounts up. My tripod failed me yesterday on that drive to work and that little speaking segment, but I was basically saying how I decided to take a small payout this month because I did go on a losing streak last month, and I was in about 5% drawdown on this 100k. And then this month I managed to build the account back out of drawdown and also built in a little bit of profit. And I was like, let me just take my profit. There's £1,000 right in front of me. Let me just take that £1,000. You know what I'm saying? Payout, I'll just start trading the account again, get another payout, another couple thousand, and then we'll just keep rotating it like that. And obviously I have other funded accounts as well. But let's go to the dashboard because I'm about to request a payout and I'll show you guys the full thing. All right, so as you can see, 100k account, legacy two-step, 55% win rate. It's not the best, but we did have a horrible month last month in April. May, as you can see, we only had one losing day. This month we had like a small break-even day, and then pretty much all other days were decent. Couple break-even days here and here, a couple small profit days. These are probably trades that didn't give us a runner. So let's go over to withdrawing the payout. Okay, cool. Select the account. We got 100k. I'm going to go with wire. I'm going to cover all these details. Acknowledge. Next, max amount, so about $1,200 ish, and we're going to click submit. Easy as that. Let's go, people. But that's it for this week's video. I got another payout at the end of this week that I'm going to request, and I'll also film that. But if you did enjoy this video, you did enjoy this content, like, comment, subscribe. Also got a Discord community in the description, so join that.